highly productive manufacturing, maximum efficiency. The VL200 vertical turning machine with CRC robot cell enables direct loading of the spindle in just 4 seconds. The compact, space-saving automation solution achieves a high level of autonomy, perfect for demanding production environments.
It's a direct connection of the robot cell CRC to our vertical turning machine VL200. We created a high productive solution, especially for the manufacturing of gears for the agricultural industry. The robot takes over the complete handling, and the operator is only necessary to change the part pallets. So we have a highly productive solution with a maximum of autonomy.